ThorBolt, best known for its MK1, the world's first smart fingerprint doorknob with thread, has finally released its inaugural standard deadbolt style lock, the ThorBolt X1, commonly used in North American homes. And this is an exclusively Apple Home compatible device. We've spent the last few weeks putting it through its paces. Now let's explore its features and performance. There's a lot packed in the box this time, and it's all laid out nicely. You've got a drill template to help you cut a hole into a brand new door, handy if you're starting from scratch, along with the user manual and some extra documentation. There's a strike plate and strike box included, plus a full set of screws for both the strike plate and the inner assembly. They also toss in a pair of backup keys just in case. Then you've got the main event, the inner and outer parts of the lock, a deadbolt latch set, and a mounting plate for the inside unit. And the lock itself is pretty straightforward to install. It only has about 5 parts to it. Take a closer look at the X1 now. And we've been testing this one out that's in black, which we think looks very slick with both the front and sides in a matte black finish. Installing it was easier than we expected. If your door has a standard deadbolt setup, which most US and Canadian doors do, then you're good to go. You just need a screwdriver. No need to drill new holes unless your door is a bit different. Also, it has an adjustable latch, so there's some flexibility here. Overall, build quality gets a thumbs up. Everything fits nicely and it looks sleek when installed. And the keypad feels really smooth and kind of velvety to the touch. It's got that premium vibe right away. Tapping to unlock with Apple HomeKeys is pretty convenient, like no digging around for keys. And the fingerprint sensor? It's so fast. Just a quick touch and we're in. Let's take a quick spin through the app and look at more of the features. So with this smart lock, there are 6 ways to unlock the door. Number 1, the old school way, physical keys. The keypad with the PIN code. This lock has anti-peep, which allows us to enter random digits before and after the PIN code. Also, if you put in the wrong PIN code more than a set amount of times, you can make it so it locks you out for 10 minutes or more until it is properly unlocked. And right above the keypad, as you can see, there's a dedicated NFC area made just for Apple HomeKey. The dedicated NFC area design is unique compared to the competition, reflecting the ThorBolt product team's mindset. They prioritize Apple HomeKey to offer their customers a seamless experience. This helps avoid accidentally pressing the keypad when tapping the iPhone or Apple Watch. Now, let's check out Apple HomeKey and the fingerprint sensor. As expected, it works smoothly. To manage fingerprints, you'll need the Sleek Point app. Start by adding a passcode under Manage Access. It reads at 2 seconds with its high-res sensor. Plus, it uses AI for self-improvement. All of this is encrypted and stored on the lock itself, so that way it doesn't leave our house. Next, we can use Siri by asking to lock or unlock the house. And the last one is the HomeKey, which we have already used with our iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock or lock the smart lock. These Apple Home keys are stored in the Wallet app, just like your credit cards. And this lock has a built-in thread, so that allows smart home devices to communicate directly with the device, and that creates a more reliable network. Plus, the X1 uses a mesh system, so it can easily cover more areas. It doesn't use much power, responds quickly, and keeps everything safe with encrypted security. Now, let's talk about power. The ThorBolt X1 runs on 8 AA alkaline batteries, and the company claims it can last up to 1 year on a single set. So, we install a fresh pack from a reliable brand, and the lock powers up instantly. The setup is pretty smooth, and the app gives the battery level readings as well. So, what makes this lock efficient is its use of thread. Since it doesn't rely on constant Wi-Fi, it uses much less power. And that's a big deal if you don't want to be swapping out batteries every few months. And even if the battery dies, there's an emergency power port to temporarily revive and unlock it. Besides, we can use the USB-C port to plug in a battery pack. Not only that, when our iPhone was dead, we used the HomeKey in express mode on the phone for 5 hours after it died. That's pretty cool. From what we're seeing so far, the battery life is holding up well, and we'll definitely keep monitoring it over the next few months. Now, here are our final thoughts. This is the future of smart locks with its 6 ways of unlocking. All in all, this is a reliable and good-looking lock that has been easy to set up and use. The new model is now available on Amazon, and we think most people out there are willing to spend $130 on this type of technology, as there are a lot of smart locks out there to choose from. And in our opinion, this one should be on your list to consider. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.